This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ashwagandha capsules and tablets. We'll explore the key differences between these two popular forms, helping you understand which might be better suited for your wellness routine. We'll look at factors like absorption rates, ingredient stability, and how each form might impact your daily supplement intake. Ashwagandha capsules are a popular choice, primarily because they effectively mask the herb's distinct, often bitter taste. This makes them much more palatable for many users. They also tend to have fewer inactive ingredients compared to tablets, which can be a plus for those with sensitivities. However, capsules might be slightly more expensive per dose. Ashwagandha tablets offer excellent dose precision, which is crucial for consistent results. They are also known for their stability and longer shelf life, making them a reliable option for long-term use. While they might not mask the taste as well as capsules, tablets are often more budget-friendly, providing good value for your money. When deciding between ashwagandha capsules and tablets, think about what matters most to you: rapid absorption, taste, or cost. If you prioritize taste and quick effects, capsules might be ideal. For precise dosing and budget friendliness, tablets could be your best bet. Always consult a healthcare professional to determine the best form and dosage for your individual health needs. And for those looking to streamline their healthy eating, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.